Empty streets and faded lights, echoes of our silent fights. Cold drops fall like memories, drowning dreams in minor keys. Your shadow haunts my quiet mind, lost in places I can't find. Every tear that never fell speaks the stories we won't tell. Soft jazz plays but can't erase the ghost of your warm embrace. Midnight rain, wash me slow. Take away what I can't hold. In the silence, hear my pain, falling with the midnight rain. You were warmth I can't regain. Now I'm lost inside the rain. Smoke curls up from burning hope, fading out, can't learn to cope. Your laughter's just a distant sound. In this empty room, no peace is found. I trace the past on window glass, watching moments fade and pass. Every beat a soft lament for the love that came and